home featuring 2 bedrooms and offering breathtaking views of nature. This modern dwelling perfectly combines innovative design, functionality, and sustainability, all while providing a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. As you approach the house, you will immediately notice its contemporary exterior. Constructed from repurposed shipping containers, the home's design is both eco-friendly and visually striking. The sleek, industrial look of the containers is softened by large windows and natural materials, allowing the structure to blend seamlessly with its natural surroundings.